Lip sync ba to?
You've got to love me for what I am, for simply being me. Don't love me for what you intend or hope that I will be. If you're only using me to feed your fantasy, you're really not in love. So let me go, I must be free.
Nahihirapan ako dito. Feeling ko nililip sync niya lang si Karen Carpenter, pero parang hindi. Ang ginagawa ko dito usually para malaman ko si Siri yung tinatanong ko. Si Siri kasi kaya niyang i-detect yung song from the Apple Music kung eksaktong-eksakto. Hindi niya kayang makadetect ng cover song. Subukan natin. Siri, what song is this?
Listening.
You've got to love me.
Sounds like you're listening to Love Me for What I Am by Carpenters.
Diba? Ang bilis, na-detect niya agad. Ngayon naman, subukan nating iparinig kay Siri yung version ni Jean. So ganito, pag may na-detect si Siri, ibig sabihin nililip sync niya. Pero pag wala, ibig sabihin totoong boses niya to. Siri, what song is this?
Naming that tune.
You got to love me for what I am. You're only using me to feed a fantasy. You're really not in love, so let me
Sorry, I
go.
don't know what song this is.
So wala siyang na-detect guys. So it means hindi ito lip sync. At nakita ko rin na kinanta niya ito ng live.
Got to love me for what I am.